Let me introduce you to the Antennia, a futuristic, fully autonomous floating ecopod that dazzles with a fancy rooftop bar, a luxurious solarium for 12 people with a 360-degree view of the ocean, and a kitchen with super cool submarine windows. Made of fiberglass, the solar-powered Antennia shows off her nautical charm by featuring a glass bottom where you can observe mysterious marine life below. Offering more stability than a boat, the Antennia is said to be able to resist a cyclone and adapt to any water body in any climate. Bottom line, this little ecopod packs a serious punch when it comes to luxury, safety and eco-friendliness. The interior of the 50 square meter pod, which includes the 3 living spaces, is equipped with a sofa, a mini bar, curved furniture covered with waxed concrete, and a 3-meter underwater window. It also has a 2.2-meter circular bed and a sea or freshwater bathtub. Antennia is equipped with silent electric motors, and it can stay afloat indefinitely due to its 5 south-facing solar panels and 2 electric propulsion pods. Specifically dome-shaped, Antennia is designed to follow the sun's rays. Its central well not only serves as an undersea observatory, but also as a natural air conditioning system. Optional features include a desalination system and wood-burning stove. All interior features are entirely made from sustainable materials. Antennia is the brainchild of French architect Jean-Michel Ducanchil, who as a child was inspired by the 1977 James Bond classic, The Spy Who Loved Me. The dreamy ecopod can also serve as a floating eco-apartment, where you can live off-grid, stress-free among sea life. Or it can serve as a temporary respite as an eco-hotel suite, where you can kick off your shoes and escape the realities of daily life, including the fact that we're still battling a pandemic. Initially, Ducanchil's dream ecopod was solely meant for the hotelier and hospitality industry, but he decided to expand his vision of sustainable living and make it more accessible. Currently, Antennia is available for commercial sale at $480,000, so Bond enthusiasts and environmentally conscious nomads can also relish the dream. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.